let's unbox these Christmas candles together. So I went ahead and took off the plastic wrapping so you guys didn't have to listen to that. But let's see. Well, when I opened the box, it instantly smells absolutely amazing. I'm getting just, okay, yep, that has like a floral scent. That's really nice. This one's super cute. This is vanilla. I love vanilla. Always a classic anywhere in your house. My kids always ask me what I'm baking anytime I light anything with a vanilla scent. Here we have English pear and freesia. Then we have a lavender. Like I said, these would be adorable for gifting, even like for teacher gifts. Putting a couple of these in to a stocking, things like that. This one's jasmine. We have gardenia. We have lemon. Ooh, I love lemon. Super cute with the snowman on there. And last but not least, we have bluebell. So cute. Love the size of these. Like I said, will be keeping some of these for myself and then gifting other ones. What a perfect, lots of whiffs of Christmas here. So let's get into these. These are so cute. These would be great as a little gift to give to somebody. As gifts, I'll probably stick some of these in stockings for some people, but I am definitely going to hold on to a bunch of these for myself. So we have a variety of cute designs on here, and then we have different scents. So this is strawberry. Yep, definitely smells like strawberry. Smells really good. Let's see what other scents we have as well. We have rosemary. We have peppermint. Ooh, that's super cute with a snowman on it. Peppermint. We have this one here. This is a bergamot. Probably said that wrong. This one here is spring. Let's see what that smells like.